In today's video, let me show you how to share files on Telegram. Whether you're trying to send any type of file, whether they be images, videos, or regular files such as PDF, you can easily do it through the platform of Telegram. All you want to do is open up the chat, whether it be group chat or a single chat, where you're trying to send in this file. Once you're inside of the message, all you want to do is tap on this paperclip icon, where you'll find the option called Files. In this section, either you'll have the option of choosing from your gallery or through your entire phone from the file manager. Just pick the file that you're trying to send and then tap on the send option. And just like that, your file will be successfully sent through the platform of Telegram. So that was a short tutorial on the way that you share files on Telegram. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.